Hi guys, my name is Rohan Vasudev, and in this session I am going to explain to you what are operators in Unity C#. Operators are special symbols or a character that performs some actions on operands or variables. Basically represents an action or a process that we do on variables or operands. Operators are foundation for any programming language. Now, without the existence of operators, any programming language would basically be incomplete. Now, what are types of operators? How many types of operators are there in Unity C#? Let's see. First is your arithmetic operators, then we have relational operators, then we have logical operators, then we have assignment operators and conditional operators. Let's first see what are arithmetic operators. So what are arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are generally used to perform mathematical operations on variables or operands. Now there are some types of arithmetic operators. The first is your addition operator. Addition operator is used to compute additions of two operands or variables. So with this operator, we can basically add two operands or variables. It can also be used for concatenation of two string variables. Example, if we have an int a equals to 5 and int b set to the value of 10, then the output for the addition would be 15. So it basically computes a basic addition of two variables or operands. Next is your subtraction operator. Subtraction operator is used to subtract right hand operand from left hand operand. Again, the third is your multiplication operator, where we actually compute multiplication of operands or variables. We have division operator, which divides your left hand operand by its right hand operand. Again is your modulus operator, which returns remainder when left hand operand is divided by right hand operand. So if you perform division, then the remainder which you get would be your output inside the console. Now let's get into the Unity editor and let's see how we actually perform some actions using arithmetic operators.